1, 2, 3.
This dance is called Walk It Back. It's a 32 counts forward, improve level line dance, starting with the left foot. Section 1. Weight is on the right foot. Step left forward to left diagonal, touch right next to left. Step right forward to right diagonal, touch left next to right. Step forward left, touch right next to left. Jump back, right, left. Small jump or step back, right, left. Feet shoulder width apart. Heel pops. Heels up, down. Weight ends on the left foot. Section 2, right foot rocking chair. Rock forward, recover. Rock back, recover. Jazz box quarter turn right, drag left. Right foot cross, back on left. Make a quarter right turn, stepping right to right side, facing 3. Drag left, next to right. Weight is still on the right foot. Section 3, step down on left. Side step right, hitch left, and snap fingers. Side step right, hitch left knee, rolling line full turn left, quarter, half, quarter. You're back to 3 o'clock. Hold for 1 count. Step together on right. Step left to left. Touch right toe behind. Section 4. Step right to right. Hold for 1 count. Make a half turn right. Stepping left to left. Hold for 1 count. You're now facing 9. Walk back, right, left, right. Touch left next to right. And begin the dance again. Let me walk through the steps with counts. Weight is on the right foot. Section 1. To left diagonal, forward touch. 1, 2. Right diagonal, forward touch. 3, 4. Forward left, touch right. 5, 6. Jump back, right, left. And 7. Heel pops. And 8. Section 2. Right rocking chair. On count 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the arm movements for styling. You can do that choo-choo train arm movements. When the song sings, you show me how to do the soul train. So rocking chair on count 1, 2, 3, 4 with choo-choo train arm movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz for quarter right, drag left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Step down on left and side right, hitch left knee, snap fingers. 1, 2, rolling my foot to left, 3, 4, 5, hold 6. Together, side and 7. Touch right toe behind. This is the styling option. Sweep arms to the left. On count 8 when you touch right toe behind. Section 4, side step right, hold for 1 count. When you hold, this is the styling of doing the jazz hands. Weight is on your right foot. Make a half turn right, stepping left to left, facing 9. Hold on count 4, jazz hands. Walk back right, left, right, touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole 6, and 7, 8. 1 whole 2, 3 whole 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's no tags, no restarts in this